Hello, Year 5. So today I'm going to talk about the rainforest layers. So as you've seen in class, we know we've got the emergent layer, the canopy, the understory, and the forest floor. But we're just going to talk about the details of each of these layers and find out what animals live where and what those layers really are. So at the top of our rainforest, the top layer, is our emergent layer. So these are the tallest trees and they're called the emergent because think about the word emergent is emerging. So they're towering as much as 200 feet above the forest floor with trunks that measure up to 16 feet around. So incredibly wide trees. Most of these trees are broad-leaved, hardwood evergreens. So they're very wide leaves and they're always green, they're evergreen. Sunlight is plentiful up here because at the very top of the rainforest. Animals found here include eagles, monkeys, bats, and butterflies. Next, we have our canopy layer, so our second layer of the rainforest. So this is the primary layer of the forest where most of the trees are, and it forms a roof over the remaining layers. Most canopy trees have smooth oval leaves that come to a point. It's a maze of leaves and branches, so lots of different animals can hide in there for protection against predators. Many animals live in this area since food is abundant. So there's lots of food. So more animals are inclined to live there. So they can build their habitats around there. So these animals include snakes, toucans, and tree frogs. Thirdly, you've got understory layer. So we're getting deeper and deeper into the rainforest now. So little sunlight, little sunshine reaches this area. So the plants have to grow larger leaves to reach the sunlight. Because think beforehand in the canopy layer, they're quite broad-leaved as it is. Here, the leaves are even broader because they have to get whatever sunlight is remaining. The plants in this area seldom grow to 12 feet, so that's the maximum they can grow. Many animals live here also, including jaguars, red-eyed tree frogs, and leopards. Here is a large concentration of insects as well. It's a very interesting stuff, which you will find out about when we do our top trump lesson this week. Finally, we have the forest floor, so right at the bottom of the jungle, of the rainforest even. So it's very dark down here. Almost no plants grow in this area as a result. Think they need that sunlight to be able to grow. If they can't get any sunlight, they cannot grow. Since hardly any sun reaches the forest floor, things begin to decay quickly. So you can see a growth, lots of fungi there. A leaf might take 1 year to decompose in a regular climate, and here it will decompose in 6 weeks. So there's such concentration of fungi and other bacteria that decompose leaves and other plant material or any animal material that things decompose at a much quicker rate. On this layer, giant anteaters live there. So that's just a quick presentation talking to you about all different layers of the rainforest.